train is that? Who's that?
Red.
It's the red train. And who is it? What's his name? Is it Thomas? No. Is it Percy? No. What's his name? James. James is the red train?
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
Is it Gordon? No. Is it Edward?
No.
No. Is it James?
Yeah.
Yes. Red stuff. Red stuff. Green go. Ready? What did we say? Red stuff. And what else? Green?
Go.
Green go. And yellow?
Slow.
Yellow slow. Very good.